pull this out and then put it back in. So here's the end pin. Goes through this hole. You can see there's a slot right here so it can fit through. And then when it rotates around, it locks it, keeps it from going back and forth. Here's the stop. I've got a couple different varieties of them. I've got a clamp-on kind that's fatter. This is what I'm calling the male adapter. The head of this sticks into a groove right there and rides around. So I'll put this in, and then I'm doing the same thing over here. I guess I'll rotate so you can see. So that goes through until the stop. Notice I've got a little gap right here. So I'll just kind of adjust that. Rotate this forward. Make sure that the head right there is aligning with that little groove on both sides, and then just push down and rotate. It's very secure. So to get it out, you just torque these and then pull this out on one side with kind of a spring action there. It comes out on both sides. It's a little hard to tell in this bright light, but there's some thin head drywall screws holding this in. I just need them to be thin to fit in this part. I didn't want to make any more plastic and any more printing time than necessary. That's the female part. You can see this slot right here where the male head goes by and hooks on. It's just screwed into the bracket, and I just grind off the end of the screws. I do that all over the place. So there's the male piece. This 3D printed part screws into the crossmember. Got a drywall screw there. It's just a machine, 1/4 inch machine screw. I could probably cut that off. And over here you can see the welded tip. I did have, for this end pin, I did have a bolt just going through a hole, but I wanted it right on the end. I didn't want anything sticking out, so that's why I went with that. This piece, this is the stop. You can see it's kind of angled. It's supposed to engage with the angle of the hole here to fit that just right. And one more time. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There. Everything stuck together, can't wiggle. I used to have pins going through this crossmember into here to lock everything in. This is so much better. Just twist and pull over there, and then it's out.